Hi friends, thanks for joining me. Today we are drawing Tralalero, Tralala. So let's get started. We are using this pencil and the link is in the description box. So we are gonna get started with the eye first. One eye like this and one eye like this. Then you guessed it, the highlight is going in right here and right here. And go ahead and fill that in. Like so. Like so. Leave the smaller circle white. Then we're going in and drawing one little dot here and one little dot here for the nose. And then we're gonna draw a line that is for the mouth and curve it up on both sides for the little smile. There. Then we are gonna draw a line right over here that is going straight. Okay? And then you're going to curve that line up on both sides. Okay, great. And I'm going to curve it up. Just draw it straight up on this side and straight up on this side. Then you want to curve that in a little bit on this side and curve it in a little bit on this side. Awesome. Then you're going to draw a straight line right here. And a little line going up and a little line going up. And close that up into a square. That's going to be our bow. So check it out. One line is going on the diagonal like this. And another line on diagonal like this. Same little ditty on the other side. One line on diagonal and the other on diagonal. And then connect these two lines. Boop. And boop. Yeah. Then draw a little line like that and a little line like that. And of course we can't forget the fin poking out right here. Okay. And then just curve this towards the bow and connect the line like that. There, we've got the head. And we are gonna get started on the shoes next. So, draw a little rainbow for me right here. And a little rainbow for me right here. Great. And then we want to draw this down. And another line down. Then we want to draw a smiley face right here. And another smiley face right here. And go ahead and make this line go all the way up and this one all the way up as well. Okay. Then we're drawing a little rainbow right here and a little rainbow right here. And we're drawing a smiley face right here and a smiley face right here. Great. Then we're connecting this to this and this to this. Perfect. Then draw 3 little circles on this side. And 3 little circles this side. Yeah. And 2 circles here. And 2 circles here. Then we are going to draw the laces. Check this out. Line goes this way. And line goes this way. Then line goes this way. And 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 last one. Yep. Then you want to draw a bow. So draw a big bow like that. And like that. And same little ditty on this side. So line is going this way. And then this way. And then this way. And let's lace up the other side this way and like that. And a bow. There we go. Great. Then we want to draw a line like this for the body and on the other side too. And the fins. One little line going out on diagonal like that. And the other line on the diagonal. And then connect that to the body like so. And on the other side like so. So adorable. And we just gotta draw one line going down the middle. And then connect these guys to that line. Perfect. I think that this drawing is done and it's looking mighty cute. I'm really happy we drew this together. Please let me know what you want to draw together in the comments next.